Maglalakad muna kami guys kasi matagal pa talaga yun bumalik si Rob. Oy, mga ano pa yun, mga 1:30 PM. So ano pa lang ngayon, 9. Ayan.
Mama,
Kaya
I'm watching.
ganda ng mga kahoy guys, oh. Diba? Ano na siya, nag-start na mag-change ang mga dahon. Diba? Ay, ang ganda yun, oh, yun. Diba? Maganda siya, oh. Nag-change na siya. So, ayan guys. Laag-laag sa kakahuyan. Kasi nga, ang tagal ni Rob bumalik guys. So, nainip kami. Kaya naglalakad kami dito sa kakahuyan. Ang sarap mag-walking dito sa forest ngayon guys. Kasi nga, ano siya, yung nag-change na yung mga dahon. So yan guys, unti-unti nang bumalik yung mga runner. Oh, ang galing naman ng watang to. Pang ano siya, pang 7 ata to siya na dumating.
If you're
So yan si
it will
John Mark
always
guys.
flash, okay?
Okay. What is that? Oh! It's a rock?
Yeah. No, it's just some pebbles.
Ang ganda ng ilog. Pero ano siya, yung ilog dito guys ay may amoy malansa. Hindi naman siya marumi, medyo malinaw siya, oh, diba? Kaya lang may ano siya, may amoy laman. Malansa talaga siya. Iwan ko ba't ganito ang amoy ng ilog dito. Hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas na ang ilog natin ay mabango. Hindi naman, walang amoy, ganun. Malansa yan siya. Maganda lang siya tingnan, maganda ang view. Kasi nga, maraming kahoy. Ayan, unti-unti nang nakakabalik yung mga ano guys, o yung mga runner. Pang 10 na yata yan siya. Tapos pagdating nila doon sa finishing line, may mga ano yan sila guys, may mga medals. Then, naiwan na si John Mark. Malayo din ang tinakbo niyan, ha. 30K ata yan siya. Sila Rob kasi 50K. Kaya matagal silang makabalik. Bali nag-start sila ng 8:30. So makakabalik sila ng 1:30. May dalang tungkod si John Mark. Baon niya pa yan galing sa bahay. May car John Mark. Ano, it's not a car. It's a airplane. It's airplane. Dami nagwo-walking dito. Maganda kasi sa place. Yan guys, oh, may bahay din dyan. Ang cute. Cute yung bahay. Ang daming ano, ang dami nilang stock na kahoy pang gatong. Ano yan? Free. Oh, have car. Dali na dong. John Mark. Kasi ang hihilig nila mag running. What is that?
Berries. Berries.
Wild berry?
Yeah.
No.
And also there's some stuff in it. Look.
Don't eat. It's a poison. Poisonous. It's a poison.
How do you know that?
Because it's not a fruit.
Hmm?
It's not a fruit.
So then why is there
It's
seed inside?
It's a wild, I don't know what is that. It's not wild berry. It's different.
It's a lotus berry?
I don't know. Oh, they have free books here. Come. Come here. Hi. Good morning. Oh, they have free books here. Ayan guys, oh. You want to get book? It's a free books, Denmark.
Yeah, but then tomorrow we have to put it back.
Get it. Get one.
Why?
It's a free. Get.
But then we have to put it back. Because it isn't ours.
Let's open and sign our guest book. No, they said it's free book, so you can get it. You can get whatever you want. It's all free. May mga ano pa sila guys. Okay, come. May mga free toothpaste kung gusto mo. Ayan guys, kung gusto niyo ng mga free dito. Kahit saan ka pupunta, may mga free books, ganun. Sa Pilipinas guys, walang libre sa daan. Hindi ka makakakita ng ganyan sa daan, di ba? Oh, it's a nice flower.
No, this is a flower.
It's a wild flower.
Mama, it's one of those
Oh,
things.
this one, it's nice flower.
Mama,
Pati mga wild,
it's one of those things that can float in the air. Look.
yeah, pati mga wild flowers dito, ang gaganda. Yun, ang ganda. Sarap mag-boating dito, guys. Dapat pala dyan, Mark, nagdala tayo ng salvavida. Nice adventure.
Yeah.
Fresh air, and then, you know, medyo malamig. Winter is coming.
Mama, why is there a sign saying do not block driveway?
Yeah.
Weird, right?
Oh, it's nice color. See? See the tree? Ayun guys, oh, nag-change na siya. Beautiful tree. Okay, quickly. What?
Baby trees.
Oh. Ang ganda.
We call those spruce leaves.
Bruce Lee?
Spruce leaves.
Kahit ano na lang nakikita ni John Mark. Oh, ito guys, oh, ang ganda ng dahon, oh. Oh, diba? Wow. It's nice color. Tsaka sa likod niya, guys, may maliit na kubo-kubo. Ang ganda, oh. Wow.
Water.
Beautiful. Ito talaga yung pinaka the best na season, guys. My favorite season. So yun, Denmark. Still there. Come.
How about we go until we see Papa?
Hmm?
How about we go
Ang taas
until we
ng
see
bahay.
Papa? Mama, can I go
No,
until-
Papa arrived at 1:30. So,
What time is it?
11 o'clock. Oh, ganda ng kahoy.
So he arrived already?
Ha?
So he arrived already?
See the tree? Red. Ang ganda, di ba? Ganda siya, guys. Ito talaga yung nag-change na talaga siya, oh. Wow. Wow, ang ganda. Ganda, guys, oh. Iniwan na ako ni John Mark. Ang ganda naman ng bahay na yan. Mga bahay dito, guys, para mga haunted house. Paano? Wala kang makikita mga tao sa labas. Ganun.
Mama, look at the size of this.
Wow! It's huge.
Yeah, it's big leaf.
Yeah, it's a big leaf.
It's a maple tree leaf. Mama,
Hmm?
these are maple tree leaves.
Really? It's
Yeah.
maple tree?
So maple tree leaves are really big.
Mm-hmm.
Now this could be a maple tree.
Yeah.
Since it's got all these
So we're gonna go back now?
No, we're gonna go even farther. Because I gotta exercise.
Good.
Here's my, look.
Okay, show to your friend. You need to exercise, guys, kasi malaki na daw yung tummy niya. Because you're always eating. You're always eating ramen. Oh my gosh.
How we go over there?
Huh?
How we go over there?
No.
Why?
Maybe you have snake.
No, it's okay.
You want to play? In the water?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go.
So you're gonna wait for me, okay?
Yeah. Gusto niyo pumunta sa tubig. Okay, go. Go, John Mark.
Oh, Mama. These are really deep. So you know,
Oh, you can go in the water, John Mark.
what?
It's high.
It's hot.
Oh, maybe you can go there. See? Ang
You know
ganda.
where?
Ganda ng view. Super relaxing place. Careful! Yung mga bata, guys, oh. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for your love and support. Thank you for watching. See you on the next vlog. Ganda ng wildflowers. Ayan, guys, so